One of these galaxies could destroy the Milky Way, and it will happen sooner than you think. But the scariest part is, we are absolutely defenseless. Hello, you're watching QUASARIA, a channel where space science becomes understandable to everyone. And on this channel, we explore the most incredible mysteries of the cosmos. Today, I'll show you 5 galaxies that could become the end, not only for our planet, but for the entire solar system. The James Webb Telescope has opened our eyes to how dangerous the universe really is. Let's start with 5th place. And believe me, 1st place will shock you. In 5th place, our nearest neighbor, Andromeda. It's located 2.5 million light years away from us. But here's what's frightening. It's moving toward us at a speed of 400,000 kilometers per hour. In 4 billion years, a collision will occur. Sounds far away, but for the cosmos, this is the blink of an eye. What will happen? Imagine 2 giant whirlpools merging into one chaos. Stars will be thrown out of their orbits like bowling pins. The solar system could be flung to the edge of the new galaxy or into intergalactic space altogether. But there's good news. The probability of individual stars colliding is almost 0. Bad news. Gravitational chaos could destroy planetary systems, including ours. James Webb has shown that Andromeda has already begun pulling gas from the Milky Way. The process has started. 4th place, quasars. These are the brightest and most deadly objects in the universe. 3C273, one of the closest quasars to us. It's located 2.5 billion light years away, but its light is so powerful that we can see it from Earth. What is it? A quasar is a supermassive black hole that devours matter at a rate of millions of tons per second. In doing so, it releases so much energy that the quasar shines brighter than 1 trillion suns. If such an object were at Andromeda's distance, all life on Earth would be destroyed instantly. Radiation would evaporate the atmosphere, oceans would boil, and the planet's surface would turn into molten lava. Fortunately, quasars are at a safe distance. But here's what's frightening. James Webb has discovered that at the center of almost every large galaxy, there's a dormant black hole, and no one knows when it will wake up. 3rd place goes to Seyfert galaxies. NGC 1068, one of the most famous. At its center, an active black hole that ejects giant jets of radiation. These jets can extend for thousands of light years, destroying everything in their path. The peculiarity of Seyfert galaxies, they're unpredictable. A black hole can be calm for millions of years and then suddenly turn on and eject so much energy that it affects neighboring galaxies. If the Milky Way were a Seyfert galaxy, life on Earth would be impossible. Constant radiation, cosmic rays, destruction of the ozone layer. The planet would turn into a dead desert. James Webb has shown that there are tens of millions of such galaxies in the universe. And we have no idea when the next one will wake up near us. In 2nd place, peculiar galaxies. M82, also known as the Cigar Galaxy, is a perfect example of cosmic chaos. What is a peculiar galaxy? It's a galaxy that has survived a gravitational catastrophe, a collision, absorption, or close flyby of another galaxy. The result? Complete disorganization. In M82, a starburst is occurring. Millions of new stars are forming simultaneously. Sounds beautiful? In reality, this is a deadly process. Massive stars quickly burn out and explode as supernovae, ejecting giant clouds of radiation. If our solar system ended up inside such a galaxy, we would face constant waves of cosmic radiation. Earth's atmosphere wouldn't withstand it, and the planet would turn into a lifeless rock. James Webb has discovered that there are more such galaxies than we thought, and many of them are the result of galactic wars that are continuing right now. And now we've reached first place. Meet NGC 1316, the Cannibal Galaxy. This galaxy has already devoured at least 3 other galaxies, and it won't stop. James Webb has shown that inside NGC 1316, remains are still visible stellar streams, distorted orbits, gas clouds. How does it work? When a large galaxy approaches a smaller one, gravity literally tears the victim apart. Stars are absorbed, gas is sucked in, and the black hole at the center becomes even bigger and more dangerous. NGC 1316 is not an exception. There are thousands of such galaxies in the universe. And here's what's really frightening. Our Milky Way is also engaged in cannibalism. Yes, you heard that right. Right now, the Milky Way is absorbing the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy. The process has been going on for millions of years, but it's real. What does this mean for us? For now, nothing. We're in a safe part of the galaxy. But if Earth were closer to the center, gravitational disturbances could throw us out of the solar system into open space. NGC 1316 is a reminder. The law of the jungle operates in the universe. The strongest survive, and galaxies are no exception. So, what should we do with all this information? Good news. All these processes occur on scales of millions and billions of years. Humanity will most likely not witness either the collision with Andromeda or the awakening of a quasar. But James Webb has shown us one important thing. The universe is not a calm, static place. It's a battlefield. Galaxies collide, black holes devour matter, stars explode. We live in a tiny oasis of calm, and this makes the existence of life an even more incredible miracle. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. There are even more shocking facts about space ahead. And in the next video, I'll tell you about black holes that could exist right in our solar system. Yes, you heard that right. Right here, close to us. See you in space.